Hello, my friends. Is everyone home in quarantine? We all should be. And I hope you're not depressed and worried, people. The World Wide Web is still open for business. And there are so many opportunities, I can tell you. You know, I started a new program a very short time ago. I'm a newbie. I came across the service called Done For You Services. I followed the gentleman for a while. I tracked him down and on the World Wide Web, and I looked into his background and everything that he talked about. He was featured on Forbes, and everything he said is totally on point. I signed up for the service, and let me tell you, I didn't know what a funnel was. I didn't know what ad sets were. I didn't know what a campaign is. These people did everything for me. They created a site, a fan page. I was taught how to create a fan page. I didn't know how to do just nothing on the computer, hardly. And I didn't know that there was a business side and that you can make money on this platform. They instructed us. They did everything for us. And I woke up. You know, when they said that you want to make sleep money, I woke up to sales. I was so excited. And I'm just a newbie. And I've been making sales ever since. It is called Done For You Services. You can click the link. It's a free webinar. No one is selling you anything. They are telling you about the Done For You services. You are home right now. You're not doing anything. You're just watching movies or just eating or just worried. Why not in this time do something for your future? That's what I've done, and I am so excited that I'm just a regular gal. I'm telling you that because I'm a newbie, a regular gal, and I came across the service, and I did not procrastinate because that's what happened. Procrastination kills your dreams, and you don't know what you don't know. There are things that you don't know. There are things that the people are doing right now. People are making money and you're not aware of. People are being able to pay their bills. The World Wide Web is still open. And so click the link below and gain the information. When you gain the knowledge, you apply the knowledge to your life. Knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is power. Check it out. Check out the free webinar and gain the knowledge, and then apply the knowledge to your life.